The name of our company, again, is Financial Education Services. We do have a grade A with the Better Business Bureau, and we've been around for a little over 10 years. Prior to offering credit repair to individuals, we actually did credit repair for companies and corporations. And so I say that just so you'll understand the experience that we have behind us. But most people ask this one question. They say, you know what makes you guys different from other companies? It's definitely the valuable services that each of our clients get when they get started with our program. Not only will we dispute the derogatory items that's on your credit report using the Fair Credit Reporting Act, but you will also have access to a credit attorney in the event that you're being harassed by a debt collector. You will get access to Credit Builder, which is going to give you some suggestive ways on how to start increasing your score, as well as 24/7 credit monitoring through Smart Credit. Now, all of our clients are also able to get their living will, trust, and power of attorney done. That's huge because most clients that come into our program are looking to be homeowners within the next 6 months to the year, and we definitely want to make sure that their family and assets are protected. All of our clients will also be able to get a great tool called Debt Zero. Now, Debt Zero will allow our clients to put their debts and interest rates in the system and show them how to systematically get their debts lowered, which is going to help increase their score. I want you to understand that your debt is 30% of what your credit score is made up of. So always remember, the higher your debt, the lower your score. Now, all of our clients will also get identity monitoring through Privacy Guard, which is huge because most people, even when they have great credit, are leaving themselves very vulnerable to identity theft. Now, our clients will get all of those services and even a few more for just $188, a one-time activation fee of $99, and $89 a month without any contract. Now, I want you to understand that our clients will see results within the first 45 to 90 days of getting started with our program. But I want you to really know that there is not a microwave process. You should look to invest in yourself for the next 4 to 6 months. Now, once our clients get started, it's a very simple process. Our corporate office is going to do a hard pull. They're going to see what's being reported derogatory for all 3 credit bureaus, and they're going to prepare the dispute letters and get them out to each of our clients. Once our clients receive their dispute letters, all they have to do is review, sign, and attach a copy of their driver's license to each of the dispute letters and mail them out. And in 45 days, each credit bureau responds directly back to the client, letting them know what was removed, what was changed to paid as agreed, or in fact, if there's anything else we need to redispute. And that's literally the process. Now, our clients will have access to their personal agent as well as customer service Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., as well as each of our clients will get a customer portal to access all of those services that we just spoke about. Now, I want you to understand that most people would say and agree with me when I say financial literacy is very, very important in this day and age. And in fact, most people are in the situation they're in with their credit and finances is due to the lack of financial literacy. And so I'm very happy to let you know that $2 for every customer that gets started with us goes to our Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, where we go back into schools and we teach children ages 8 to 18 the importance of financial literacy, as well as we give out scholarships each year. This year, we're giving out $350,000 in scholarships to high school seniors and college freshmen. That is huge. So if you know of any students in those categories, definitely get back with the agent who invited you to this call to get more information. Now, listen, I know there's some others on the line that was invited because they were interested in making some additional streams of income. And I want you to understand that they say most people, if they have an additional $500 come into their household a month, it will take the edge off of things. And so we definitely have a solution here at Financial Education Services. So as an agent with our company, you will get all of the same services as each of our clients. That's right. You will be able to get your credit repaired as well. In addition to that, you will get up to $100,000 in life insurance with no medical required. Now, to get started as an agent is just $100 more investment. You get started for $288. Guys, I can tell you this is one of the best investments I have ever made. but I want to share with you how we get paid. So, as an agent with our company, we get paid by sharing our services. Each time a client gets started for $188, you will get $100 per client. The great thing is there is no glass ceiling on how many clients you can sign up a day or week. You literally have the liberty to write your own check. And I know if I can speak for many of you on the line that you will agree. If you had a chance to write your check, you will write it big. So, for example, if you got started today and you signed up 2 customers, that's $200 next Thursday. Yes, Thursday is payday here at Financial Education Services. But in addition to that, we also get paid residually. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with residual income is when you do something one time and you get paid over and over again. They say, actually, if you do not have residual income in your financial portfolio, you'll work until you die. And I know I can speak for many of us to say that's absolutely not something we want to do. So on the residual side, each time your clients make their $89 payment, you, the agent, will get $12 residual. And as you build a team of agents, you will get $3 residual off of each of their clients. So just by sharing our services, you can earn a very lucrative amount of income. But it doesn't stop there. We also get paid to share this opportunity with like-minded individuals. And so you can earn as an agent. When you bring on other agents, you can earn anywhere from $100 to $550 per agent that gets started with you. So let me give you an example. Let's say you got started today and you signed up Mary. As a brand new agent, you will get $100 for signing up Mary. Once you sign up 2 agents and 3 customers, you will then get a $60 increase for bringing on your next agent. You will then be earning $160 per agent. And it is self-explanatory. It goes all the way up to $550. But listen, this is not like corporate America where you help someone and you train them and the next thing you know, they're replacing you on your job. Absolutely not. We actually get compensated for helping our team members grow. So for an example purposes, let's say you were a senior field trainer here at our company. As a senior field trainer, you earn $240 per agent that partners with you. So with that being said, same example, you're a senior field trainer and you sign up Mary, you will earn $240 for signing up Mary. And let's say Mary was very excited and she got started and signed up an agent herself and signed up Mike. She's going to earn as a brand new agent $100 for signing up Mike. But what our company does is they compensate you. They're going to pay you the difference for where you are as a senior field trainer at $240 to where Mary is at a new agent at $100. They'll pay you the difference, which is $140. You will earn $140 for Mary signing up Mike. That's huge because I want you to understand that as you're building your team, we can do business in all 50 states and the Virgin Islands. And for those of you that are interested in becoming an agent with our company, I definitely wanted you to keep your mind open to people in professions that may have uncreditworthy clients, whether it's realtors, car salesmen, mortgage brokers, even tax preparers. They actually will send clients to you and or partner with you in business. This is definitely an amazing opportunity. But when I was really looking at it, what really blew my mind, because I was a stay-at-home mom, but what really blew my mind was something called our R&R Club, which is our 5-year plan, our 5-year retirement plan, guys. Most people are not prepared for the next 5 years. But now, partner with this opportunity, I have a plan in place. So with that being said, I want you to understand our first level of our R&R Club, you will receive $600 for your car payment. And that car has to be an Audi, a Escalade, or a Mercedes-Benz. They also give monetary bonuses, $10,000, $25,000, $50,000. They even increase your car payment to $1,500 a month. But that was great and phenomenal to me. But those lower levels in the R&R club really, really stood out to me where, the next level, they get $5,000 a month paid directly to your mortgage lending. And if your mortgage is $2,000, they pay the remainder $3,000 on your principal, allowing you to get your home paid off sooner. That was phenomenal. In addition to that, they give $25,000 a month paid into any retirement engine of your choice. And that was where it really hit home for me, because as a stay-at-home mom, you always think about, okay, what would I do later in life when it's time for retirement? And again, just by partnering with this opportunity, I have a solution now in place. And they also give lifetime bonuses. So guys, I'm going to tell you, there's always training and support available. You're never left alone and by yourself. There's always something to plug into, whether it's webinars, local regional seminars, teleconference calls. You will absolutely be trained to be the best agent you can be. Okay. So what I want you to do is get back, to the agent who invited you to this call. There's really only 3 types of people. There's that person that say, listen, I need my credit repair. Sign me up today. We would definitely like to thank you for choosing us to work on your behalf. Or maybe you're the person that says, hey, you know what? My credit score is pretty good, but I know about 5 to 10 people that could utilize your service or may be interested in additional streams of income. We would like to thank you for referring your family and friends. Or maybe you was just like me. You were in a situation and you needed your credit repaired and restored, as well as the additional money would definitely help take the edge off some things in your household. We would like to welcome you to the family. Definitely get back with the agent who invited you to this call, and you have a very productive day. Thanks for joining us.